Hello, and welcome to a brief overview of Vivid Report's cash flow reporting package. This video will be divided into two parts. Part 1, I will give you an overview of what is on these sheets, and Part 2, I will look at some of the interactive features that you can use to make the most of your cash flow reporting package. Firstly, on this screen, we see our monthly forecast report. On this report, we see in the green columns our rolling 12 months. This rolling 12-month section can be divided into a few subcategories. First, we have our customer receipts. Customer receipt is divided into invoice types. These invoice types include recurring, service, job, or anything else that is suited to your organization. Any of these types can be adjusted in your settings. A little below, we see our vendor payment by vendor type. In here, some of the subcategories include things like credit card, insurance, etc. And further down, we see our journal entries. Journal entries includes things like payroll, loans, transfers, etc. Also on our monthly forecast report sheet, beside these rolling 12-month greens, we can see this black column here where you can observe your total and your average. And right beside that in this blue column, we see a 5-month forecast. However, this 5-month forecast can be adjusted to any number of months that you find to be the most appropriate to your organization. Now, just below that, these red columns are for you to fill in. In here, you can add your cash flow demand forecast. Now, a few other pages that are in this package that we won't be going over in detail today include RMR collections forecast, AR aging, and AP aging. Now, the next part that I'm going to show you is going to be our interactive features. Now, any blue number is able to be drilled down into. So, for example, if I go under customer receipts and press 132944 and then press link report, all of the values that drill down into that 132944 will be displayed on your cash activity details sheet. Now, if you want to drill into another number, just press link return. And then say I want to drill into 16007. Now, you don't even have to press link report. To drill down, you can even just double click. And there, just through a double click, your 16007 values are filled into the cash activity detail page. Now say your values have been updated suddenly. It's very easy to refresh the data on your sheet in real time, as it is with any Vivid Flex report. To show you an example, I am going to clear this 11536. Now as you see, this is blank. However, when I press refresh, the value fills in as appropriate. And if you want to completely change your report as well, you can also easily clear the contents by simply pressing miscellaneous, clear contents. And now you have a blank sheet to refill as needed. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video today, and we hope this sparked your interest. If you think our cash flow reporting package will be helpful to your organization, please contact us today.